Welcome to Zia's Kitchens. Today, let us make a healthy snack made of jackfruit. This is a steamed cake. This is also called as kinnathapam. This is made of jackfruit, wheat flour, and jaggery. Very tasty and very healthy too, because we are steaming this kinnathapam. Jackfruit is a seasonal fruit, so we are all gifted with all the seasonal fruits. Now we have to make use of all the seasonal fruits. So let us also try a snack or a pudding with a jackfruit. Now for this I have taken 1 cup of jaggery and add quarter cup of water to this and let it boil. We have to filter and use the syrup. So let it boil. Now it's boiling. Switch off the stove and let it cool down completely. Meanwhile, let us make the other ingredients ready. Here I have taken 20 numbers of jackfruit. Take off all the seeds and take only the fruit. We have to grind it and make a paste. Do not add any water to this. Make a paste of the jackfruit and keep it ready. Second thing we need is coconut milk. Here I am taking here 1.5 cups of coconut milk. This is the first coconut milk, the thick one. Now let us start. In a bowl, take 1.5 cups of wheat flour and now add to this the ground jackfruit paste and add the jaggery. Filter it and add the jaggery when it is cooled down. Now mix well. Now we are going to add the coconut milk. Add little by little and mix well. There should not be any lumps. So we have to mix thoroughly. Add the remaining coconut milk to this and again mix well. This we can make instantly for evening snack. It's a very healthy pudding. Now it's time to add cardamom powder. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder. Ginger powder is optional, but the flavor of the ginger powder will enhance the taste also. So mix well thoroughly. Now I will show you the consistency. Now finally add 1 teaspoon of ghee. This will give a good flavor to the kinnathapam. Now this is the consistency. It should be like this. It should not be very thick or it should not be very watery. Now this is it. The batter is ready now. Now let us keep some water in the steamer. We are going to steam the kinnathapam. Now let us grease the plate in which we are going to set the kinnathapam. Grease with little ghee or with little coconut oil. I am using ghee here. Now add the batter to the plate. I am adding here half of the batter to this plate. Now keep it in the steamer and close it. Let it be on the flame for 20 to 25 minutes. Now let us check. Use a skewer. Now this is done. You can see the square is very clean. So this is done now. Switch off the flame and take it out. Now we have to take this after this is completely cooled down. So give 5 minutes to cool down. Should not take out immediately. Now after 5 to 10 minutes, you can see it's looking lovely, very soft and mouth melting dessert. Wow. Very healthy snack is ready. This is very good for children and even for elders. Now the second batch I made in an other shape, this oval shape. I have added little nuts to this. You can make this, all ideas is up to you. This is the second one. Very tempting, very healthy kinnathapams are ready. Thanks for watching.